Hi, welcome back to the Relational Awareness Study. This is Lesson 4. My name is Luke. Let's review what we've been learning, or what we should be learning. So far, we have learned about healthy versus unhealthy relationships, how to evaluate the love we are giving and receiving, and God's idea of submission, especially in marriage. God's idea is mutual submission. The Greek word for submit is hupotasso. When used in a military setting, this word means to arrange under the command of a leader. In a non-military setting, it means to willingly cooperate or attach. Ephesians 5:21 says, "Submit to one another." Submit equals cooperate equals work together. The husband submits by sacrificing, dying to himself for his wife. The wife submits by respecting her husband. She honors him because he is an image bearer of God. We're all made in the image of God and should be respected. Note, the husband is instructed to love his wife as his own body. There can be no love without respect. Showing honor and respect includes recognition. Studies show that ignoring people can be just as harmful as mistreating them. We looked at the equality wheel to see what an intimate partner relationship should look like. Then, we looked at the power and control wheel to help us recognize signs of a coercive relationship. When one person tries to control another, God's love cannot be part of the relationship. In today's lesson, we will discuss how marriage is like a head and a body in a godly unit, as we see in Ephesians 5. We will see how the head and body operate together. They are mutually dependent. They need each other. The head exists to serve the body. The body exists to serve the head. The head never tries to hurt the body. We will look into the biblical meaning of headship. As head, Jesus serves his body, the church. Ephesians 5:32 says, "This is a great mystery, but it is an illustration of the way Christ and the church are one." As Christians, we are united with Christ. Being united with him doesn't cause us to lose our identity. The same is true when we are united with our spouse. We maintain our own identities as separate people. As we work in partnership with Christ, we also work in partnership with our spouse. Also, in our lesson today, we will discuss some healthy and not so healthy ways to relate in a marriage. We will learn to recognize some of the subtleties of abuse, as well as some selfish behaviors that can lead to abuse. Our goals for today's lesson are: 1. To see how marriage operates as a body. 2. To distinguish behaviors in a relationship that are kind, selfish, or abusive. 3. To work on relating in healthier ways. The scripture for today is 1 Corinthians 12:12. "Just as a body, though one, has many parts, but all its many parts form one body, so it is with Christ." You will be watching a short video of a testimony. Feel free to leave the room momentarily if you feel triggered. And as we like to say in domestic kindness, if you can be anything, choose to be kind. Hopefully, over these weeks, you are becoming kinder. Enjoy your class today.